I got 4 mistakes that you need to avoid when you're growing your peppers this year, and I'm gonna go through them. And first thing is make sure, number 1, that you buy either a really good quality seed or plant. And I buy mostly online, all my seeds online. I start all my peppers from seed, but you know, back in the day when you just need 6 or 12 pepper plants, I'd go to a good quality nursery, buy a good healthy plant. You know, you get a good start, you have a good finish. So I don't much care for the seeds from a big box store. I don't much care for the 10 for $1 ones at the Dollar General. I've tried those before. You don't know what you're getting. You don't know what variety you're getting, and I'm not having very good luck. So I grow on peppers. I grow all OP or open pollinated. I don't grow any hybrids. If you watch the channel, you know I grow mostly hybrids, but in peppers it's all OP. So, number 2 is you want to make sure you don't put a high nitrogen fertilizer on those plants. So what I'm talking about is like a water-based fertilizer. I'm not gonna name any names. It's like a 48, 12, 16, something like that. That's too much nitrogen. You'll have a nice big plant, bushy plant, but you won't have any fruit. So what I would recommend, especially if you're starting out, is use a good organic. And I don't grow organic, but I use a lot of organic principles. I use like an organic 566, 666, something balanced. I use a liquid. I'll mix my own organics, like a 5-13-13. And if I use a chemical, I have a brand that I use, and I use it a lot when after the first week to give them a real good boost. But it's balanced. It's 20-20-20. It's got 4 different types of nitrogen to it, and I'm going to do a different video about that. But you know, something balanced, not a whole lot, not a high nitrogen. Make sure you don't do that. Number 3, and I made this mistake, make sure you plant it in a place where it gets plenty of sunlight. I'm talking at least 8 hours of sunlight. I've planted them thinking, you know, I plant them over here kind of in the shady part of the garden, and when it gets really hot, you know, it'll help them out, but that's not good. So they need a lot of sunlight, at least 8 hours. So make sure you don't put them in a shady part of your yard or part of your garden. And number 4, make sure you don't overwater or underwater. They need about 1 to 2 inches of rain or water per week, especially once they get a certain point. And then when they get really point, put all the fruit on, I even cut back less than that, maybe a ½ inch a week. But they'll keep going till frost. So watch your water. Don't give them too much, not too much, too little. About 1 inch is a good thumb. You know, if you get 1 inch of rain, don't water that week. If you don't get any rain that week, give them a little water. So keep that in mind. Hope this has helped. Hope you have a great harvest. Watch our channel. We have I'll show you all kinds of stuff, and peppers. We grow lots and lots of peppers. And a little bonus thing here: there's no such thing as a male and a female on your bell pepper. Someone's got a 3-lobe, someone's got a 4-lobe. Some people say one's a male, one's a female, one's sweeter, one's more better. It's not true. It's all just the variety that you grow. Thanks for watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you back here on the farm.